Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, guys, and welcome back. It is Tuesday morning. It's a beautiful sunny day in New Jersey. We are about to go to Philadelphia where it is 95 degrees. It's sunny out, there's not a cloud in sight. First thing on the agenda for today is to take a sip of my morning coffee. One thing that I would like to say, I truly believe that everything happens for a reason. To believe that doesn't mean you have to believe in God or you have to believe in science or any of that. You can still believe in whatever you want to believe in. But me personally, I believe that everything happens for a reason and what you put out will come back to you. And keep trying to do good things for people. So today, we're gonna go to Philly. We're gonna start by going to the park. We have to pick up her niece first. Let me drink some more coffee and then we'll get out of here. You wanna transport us to the bridge? South Philly before 6 p.m. Primo parking. Woo! Hola, Tego. So we just got to Philadelphia, and before we go to the park, we're gonna make one quick stop because it's never the wrong time to go thrifting. Yay! Just got to the park, and what better way to start our day with ice cream. Come here, can I put you in this thing? Go ahead, stand in there, just stand in there. All right, here's the thing, you gotta put your feet on that bottom piece. All right, you ready?
No.
All right, relax. Uh-oh, I think I made her sick, guys.
Got motion sickness.
Oh, why'd you volunteer?
Because I'm stupid.
Let it all. Did you just fart? Go, baby, drink this. Rinse your mouth out.
My butt is up.
Attempting to find a parking spot at 7:23 p.m. starts now. South Philly parking after 7 o'clock is horrendous. If you haven't seen my video explaining why Philadelphia parking sucks, please watch this video. I think the button should be up here somewhere on each one of these corners. Sometimes when you want to park in Philadelphia, you roll the dice. It's unfortunate, but we're gonna go back to Jersey, we're gonna eat some food, and then I got something special planned for tonight, so stay tuned. Welcome to the first ever game of Dare Pong. Rules of the game are simple. If I make a cup on her side, I get to create a dare and she has to do it. If you make a cup on my side,
I have to create a dare and you have to do it.
Correct. Nothing insanely crazy, but still good dares. Let's get this started. I'll give you the first shot. Oh. Oh. All right, well. All right, thank you.
Your dare is to swap shirts with me for the remainder of the game.
Are you kidding me? That's your first dare you hit me with is a swap shirt. You're wearing a crop top with both shoulders showing.
All right, get ready.
Oh, God dang it.
Boop. Let me fix this for you real quick. Wait.
I can't believe you hit this for the first dare.
Nice. Look at that. Nice.
My turn.
Oh.
Yeah, enjoy that. Savor that taste, because in a couple seconds you're gonna taste something much worse.
Stop.
I dare you to take a shot of the hot sauce that I have in my fridge over there. I'll give you choices. Give me 1 second. Stay over there. First choice, good old Tabasco. Second choice, Cholula. Third choice, Red Hot Wings Buffalo. This one? Okay.
Completely. That's like the biggest shot ever. That's it.
Bada bing, bada boom.
That's a shot.
That's a shot.
Right, can I have
Oh,
water?
and you got the crusty that fell
No,
in.
I'm not drinking the crusty. The crusty's not included.
All of it. Oh my god. Oh my god. It didn't seem that bad. It wasn't that hot. I could tell by your face.
It's not terrible.
I chalked that up as a waste of a dare in my opinion. Let's hope the next ones go better.
Oh, that was horrible.
Yes!
Fudge. Are you
Okay, so babe, I know how you take pride in your Instagram and you got your Instagram popping, you got all these guys trying to slide in your DMs cause you this hot Puerto Rican mommy. Well, my dare for you is to let me draw this unibrow on your face, and for the rest of the game you gotta use it, and also you have to post a picture on your Instagram with the unibrow.
Can I post it on my story? Cause you're
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Stop.
Nope.
No. You're the one who told me don't post just anything on my stop.
Come on,
I'll
this
post
is
it on my story.
No, this is a
Stop
doable
in my
dare.
story.
Baby.
Please stop in my story. I've been like
Stop.
No.
Stop.
No. See? You said you wouldn't do anything crazy.
This is crazy.
In my story.
No.
I'll post it in my story. I'm not posting on my page because my like actual thing is like has a theme going on and everything. I'm not
Stupid.
Is that a marker, Dom?
It's not a marker. It's a pen. But damn, that's a uni.
That look good?
You look perfect. Have you ever seen the movie Rocky?
I'm from Philly, of course.
Well, then you should know what his breakfast was when he was training. I
I'm
dare
not
you.
drinking raw
I dare you
eggs.
to
I
drink
thought-
one raw egg. You don't have to slurp it. It's just a quick swallow. It'll go down before you. You stupid. One raw egg.
Can I put some salt and pepper on it? Protein, baby.
All right, here's the deal. If you have to, run to the bathroom to throw up, okay? 1, 2, 3. Down the hatch. Whole thing.
This time is for real.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Swallow, swallow, swallow. Bathroom.
You can't put that on internet.
Dare complete.
I gotta make at least one more. One more, please.
Oh. Wait, make me look jacked in the shot.
I don't have Photoshop for that. So for my dare, I'm gonna take revenge for all the things you've made me drink. And I'm gonna make a concoction, just a shot of 3 things. They're gonna be 3 mystery things.
Are they in the fridge?
Yes, they're in the fridge.
Oh, yeah.
So these are 3 things that I picked. Yup. And yeah, because I gotta keep him a little bit healthy. And I'm adding one more thing because I'm a bit petty. All right, here's the spoon.
I don't even want to know what's in there. I see chunks.
If you
There's
have
a
to throw up,
texture
just
to it.
run to the bathroom.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, like a champ. Oh. Oh! Woo.
For your dare.
How gay is this one gonna get? I'm already wearing a crop top.
I need you to eat this banana whole, even with the skin.
Oh! Can I go from here?
You could go from there.
Eat the skin?
Yeah.
I gotta swallow it?
Yeah. It wasn't as bad as you thought. So you got the... I knew you would like the banana.
First, put this helmet on. All right, second, lean on that thing and start twerking. And I know the perfect song to do it to.
Girl, you're working with some ass, your bad jam, make a nigga spend his cash, his last hand, holds found with your passion.
I hope you enjoyed that dare as much as I did. That was mainly for my entertainment. Oh! Oh!
So for your dare, you have to wear something until the game finishes. Something that I found here.
Why you have a tampon?
Because that's what you're gonna wear inside your nose until the game finishes.
Bebe, this is like a double XL, double wide tampon right now. I can't fit this in my nose.
You have a double YXL, no? All right, that's good enough.
It stings. There's one. I know my dare. You have to take
Ew, Dom.
this tampon
Ew.
and put it up your nose.
You have a booger there. There's a nose hair in there.
Come on.
Dom, there's a nose hair there. Dom.
Oh, it feels good to breathe again.
Dom.
Baby, put it up your nose.
I just have to put it in my nose, right?
And you gotta wear it to the end of the game.
Okay.
Okay.
You did not say which side, so don't even go there.
You got me. You got me with that. That's street smarts right there.
Told you.
You smart.
I know.
This is it, right here.
I drank hot sauce. I ate a raw egg and threw up. Got a unibrow. Got a crusty tampon. And I twerked. And I still lost.
You wanna know your last dare?
What's my last dare?
Give me a kiss. It is like 2 a.m. right now, and I just realized I did not make an ending for today's vlog. I apologize for that, but let me make an ending right now. Today's video was so fun to make. I am so sorry that I got my girlfriend sick, but I'm also happy that we got to come to my house and play this game that forced us to do crazy stuff. If you enjoyed anything about today, if you enjoyed the park, if you enjoyed my girlfriend eating a raw egg, if you enjoy her making me wear her stupid crop top, please guys, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. I will keep them coming. Until next time, peace.
You're nasty.